Hello and welcome to part 22 of the Odysseys of Textures Blanket. Today we will be creating the border. For materials, you will need your border color and a size 4 yarn, a 5mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. To start, you will find the center stitch of any of the 4 corners with the front side of the blanket facing you. Into that center stitch, you will insert your hook, grab your yarn, and attach the yarn to the blanket. I will chain 1 and turn. When you turn, the back side of the blanket should be facing you. Into that same stitch, you will place 3 single crochets. And as I start this single crochet, I will crochet over the tail. After the 3 single crochets, I will single crochet down the entire side of the blanket until I get to the next center stitch of the corner. Remember to continue crocheting through the join of each square. Single crochet around the blanket. When you get to the next corner, to the center stitch at the next corner, place 3 single crochets into that center stitch. Then continue crocheting around the blanket. Each center stitch of the corners receives 3 single crochets, and the rest of the stitches receive 1 single crochet. When you make it back around to your beginning spot, it is time to join. To join, you will slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. For round 2 of the border, you will chain 1 and turn. When you turn, the front of the blanket should be facing you. Into the same stitch as the chain 1, I will place a single crochet, then a half double crochet, and then a single crochet, all into the same stitch. Then I will slip stitch into the next 3 stitches. Into the next stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, then slip stitch into the next 3 stitches, and repeat again. Single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, 3 slip stitches. Repeat this around the entire blanket. When you make it around the blanket, you need to join. To do this, slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. After you slip stitch, fasten off and cut your yarn. Then sew in any remaining tails and your blanket is finished.